Hello together today with another technical mission. So I have here a graphic card which I repaired already. So the left fan was generating noise. And as you can see now, when I rotate the fan on the right side, there is no noise, and here on the left side, which one I have repaired, you can also know noise. So I will show you how you can repair it when a GPU fan is generating a noise. So this is a nice a nice GPU. So with the R7 370 with the back plate, as you can see. So only one power supply is required. You can see it here. So I removed already this fan case here. So to get that fan frame here out, it's very easy. You need only to remove 4 screws. So I removed them already, so I will show you where you can find the screws. So as you can see, here is one screw. It's easy to remove, and the other one is here. And the other 2 are on the back side. As you can see here, one is here and the other one is here. Here. So after you removed the 4 screws, you can get out the frame here, very easy. So here is the fan connector. There you need to be careful because you have 2 clips on it. So as you can see here, so this clip here and the other clip is here. So you need to push the clips down from this holes here. I will show it to you. From this both holes, like that, and then you need to take out the cable here from the fan connector. Then you can get it out. Otherwise, when you not push the clips here down on this both holes, you will damage the connector here. Maybe the connector can get out and the port there is unusable. So be very careful with that. And yeah, after you get the fan out, yeah, so now you have this stuff here. And to get the fan out, it's very easy. You have here 4 screws. One, I take this already out, and this second one, this is the third one, and the fourth one. I got this also out before I started to make the video. So get them out, and now you are able to remove the fan from the frame, as you can see here. So you can also replace the fan separately, because you have here a connector, and it's a very nice design. And you can see the fan model here. I will show it to you in the case if you want to replace the fan only. And yeah, so after you got it out, you can open this description, and then you see 1 second. Then you see this hole here. So you need 1 drop of mechanical oil, maybe gear oil or some stuff like this here. So it should be fluent, like water, you know. So not a massive oil stuff. It should be fine stuff like this one here. So put 1 drop of that oil to a needle, as you can see here. So after you put 1 drop to this needle, place the drop to the middle area here. So, and then, as you can see, it's still filled with oil here. And then try to get the oil around this middle point here, so that is filled over the whole space in the middle area, you know. So to get sure that the whole space there is getting the oil. And then you can put back the description here. Then you can screw the screws back in here, and as you can see, so the fan is not generating a noise, so it's cleared and it's not needed to replace it by a new one. Let's see how many days this will work, and so maybe it could be that the noise is coming back within 3 weeks or 4 weeks, or after 6 months. You can't know it, so it's a test. Let's see how the life will be expanded by doing this repair. Let me know if you liked this video, and thumbs up if you want to see more technical stuff. And yeah, have a nice day. See you soon in another technical mission. Bye.